Hello everyone. Today I'm trying to demonstrate some of the tricks and tips in Civil 3D or Autodesk CAD, how we can create custom scales and utilize it for our design works. Usually I see there are heaps of scales that have been used in an organization, and some are inbuilt within the CAD, some are copied throughout the projects. And if you think about different XREF, and you'll encounter different scales all over the drawings. So I was asked, just check on how we're gonna create a custom scales in Civil 3D AutoCAD, and that can be used in rest of the projects as a fixed standard scales. So I'll quickly show you in the software. Let's open Civil 3D or Autodesk CAD. So I'm opening Civil 3D 2024 metrics. So let's open one of the templates within Civil 3D or a CAD file. See, so if you see, let's open the folder. It has gone in the other screen. So so if I'll quickly open it again, file, open. DWT. Okay, so let's open one of the DWT file from the folder. I don't normally open Civil 3D standard templates. Rather, I open AutoCAD templates here. So I'll open one of the ACAD DWT file. The region is, it has got a non other than zero layer. So if I quickly check on the layer properties here, so it has got zero, just only one layer. So before doing anything, I sometimes we don't need to do that, but just check on the settings of the CAD. So if you check on the settings, so you see that it's in the feet. So make it in metric scale, and you can change this to your own country standard. For instance, Georgialand. You can change the coordinate system, NJTM or anything. Check against the datum NJG 2000, and okay. So what has happened here is, so if you check on the scales in that DWT file, which is here. So if you see here, there are heaps of scales which we don't need, and so it sometimes I see a Civil 3D drawings that's got different scales, CAD file, different scales. So what I normally do is select all the scales here and delete everything from here. So there are a few inbuilt scales that we can't delete. It stays there for in the drawings. So, and then I'll add our standard scales that we're going to be using the rest of our project. So so maybe just give any name that you can check against your company profile. So DC, and it's metric, so meter, and give a scale 1 in 10, for instance, 1 in 10. So it's 1 in 10. So one paper unit, 1 in 10 is 1 in 0.01. So I normally include 10 divided by 1000, which is 1 in 0.01 drawing meter. So, and what I normally, I just copy the same text and add another drawings, which is 1 in 20 1 in 20, which is 1 in 0, 1 in 20 divided by 1000, which is 0.02. So similarly, you can add as many as you want. For instance, 1 in 25, 1 in 50, 1 in 100, 1 in 250, 1 in 500, 1 in 500. Sorry, 1 in 500, or 1 in 1000. So let's get two more. 1 in 0.5, 1 in 0.5. Just move it down, move it up, just move it down. 1 in 500, and add one more 1 in 1000, which is 1 in 1, 1 in 1. So 1 in 1000, which is 1000, 1 in 1. So okay, apply. So so what it has done is it has created few of the I'll quickly delete those two layout out from there, delete things from there. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll include one of the text here. Give it the name DC. You can write any name, and go to the properties, check the properties, and make it for now annotative, so that you can change the annotative scale in it. So in the annotation scale, you add the scales that you have done, and okay, and you can do you just keep it further. You save this drawing somewhere, Control S, or file, save as DWG, desktop. Let's go to trials, give it a name, all scales and DC standard, and you can close this for now, and open a new file, where, okay, let's do, okay, in the design, that should be okay. And if you see in that file, it has got its own scales. So if you go back there, so if you see here, so it has got its own it has its own skills. So now what you do is you import the thing, you import the skills that you normally use in your organization, which is saved in that same file, and open that file. Okay, layer 2, what's here, change that to maybe 1 in 500 from here, and get rid of that layer there. Okay, so now what you do is go to the scales here, go to the scales there, and go to the custom, and then you select everything from there, select all from there, select everything from there, and delete it. So you will be deleting everything except whichever was the one that we have created there, and there are some inbuilt in which some few of the things few of the skills we are not able to delete, but okay, properties. I just want to check it if there's anything. It's alright. I just want to do this one from there, and go to the, and if you go to the settings again, go to the scale setting here, costume, select all, and anyway, so these are the things that I normally feel easier. Metric, 1 in 20, 1 in 5, and 1 in 1000, so which is a bit handy. So you guys might have enjoyed watching the video, how easy it is. I just want to change this to 1 in 1000, and I don't do too much of editing in the video, so it's whatever I create in the video, it will be posted to you. I'll quickly change this thing. If I can delete, yeah, I think I can do a few of these things. Okay, alright. Okay, so there are all the skills are blocked in that file. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers.